Are you ready to dive in the world of coding? Well, buckle up, kiddos, because today we're going to take a closer look at the Scratch interface and learn how to bring our coding creations to life. Hello everybody, this is the Scratch interface. This is the stage where all the action happens, and you can also change the backdrop of the stage. I'm going to choose a soccer field. Any object you see on the stage is called a sprite. For an example, this is the sprite. This is the cat. I'm going to move it down here. I want to add another sprite. Maybe I could get a soccer ball. Here we go, the soccer ball. Now, let's place it down here. Now, this side is called the block section. The block section is where all the commands and instructions are given to the sprite. These are all the categories and there's more blocks inside them. For an example, this is the motion category. There are lots of movement blocks in this. So, I go to events, get the when flag is clicked, and get the go to, and okay. Now let's get the when the sprite is clicked, and alright, now let's go to the events and let's get the broadcast. Now I want it to be animated, so I'm gonna go to the costume section, and you can see two costumes here. I want the first image to be blue because I like Messi, and Messi's jersey is blue. So I'm going to get to this palette and I'm going to put blue. Now I fill it in. Just a reminder, we have to do the second one too. Now let's go back to the code section. And now let's go to the soccer ball. So let's get the when clicked and the when received. I'm going to go to motions and get the go to. Now I want it to glide up. Now it's here. Okay, now it should say go. Let's go to the sound area, where you can add sounds and put it in the code area too. I'm going to put. Now let's add this one. Now it's added to the sound section. Let's go back to the code and then we go to the sound category. Now let's get either of these. I'm going to pick the play sound go cheer. Hey, we forgot to do something. Let's animate this one. So, let's go to looks for the cat. And we'll get the switch costume to 2. And also, we're going to put this to 1. So, let's see what happens. Oh, before that, do you want to see a theater mode when it's widened up? Let's press this button. Now it's extended. Now, let's press the flag button and then now let's click the sprite. Now let's debug something. Something is wrong with the Scratch cap. What's happening? I get the idea. Hold on. Look, these are the same numbers and each y and x coordinates are same. So it's gliding to its same position. Let's change that. This is where you can see the x and y coordinates of the sprite. It says 3, 75, and that's it. Now let's attach all the blocks we had together. Let's extend it again and let's see what's going to happen. Nice! It's working! Now, let's also create a new name for our project. I'm going to call it Soccer Cat. Wait, maybe I could say Messy Cat. Because I like messy. Alright, if you want to share it to the online Scratch web, you could just press share. And now it says your project is now shared. Now everybody could see what you created. And if you want to go back inside your project, you can press see inside. Now there are many blocks you can see here since you've done it. So I hope you enjoyed in this tutorial. So start creating your first project and share it with us.